Hello friends, Sheetaljan here. So shitu-da-art presents Christmas decor series. In that I had bring a first video for you. So we'll be doing a DIY and then we'll be seeing the arrangement. So here I had taken a plastic plate, some decorative items, DDL Fevicol, woolen yarn thread and newspaper and polythene. So let's get started. So firstly we'll be making the cone of newspaper as shown in the video. Similarly we will be doing same with the polythene. And after that we will be inserting the newspaper cone into a polythene one as shown. We will be setting it and then we will be cutting the excess portion. After that we will be taking a Fevicol in plastic plate. We don't have to add the water, and after that we have to take a woolen thread. We have to unbind it and then we will be dipping it into a Fevicol as shown, and we have to nicely apply the Fevicol on the thread. After that we will be just binding it on the cone as shown in the video. We have to bind it in random manner and we have to make it denser. So in this way we will be doing it, and after that we have to sprinkle the sparkle powder on the all over surface of the Christmas tree which we are making, and after 24 hours we will be taking it out as shown in the video. Gently you have to remove the plastic cone and then you can see our Christmas tree is ready. Similarly I had made few of them. Now we will be just decorating it with stars or anything decorative items. You can use any material or any things to do that, and in this way we will be just doing as you can see. So by using this Christmas cone I am going to show you 3 arrangements or styles how we can decorate it. So let's see.